yourself, Casarola, and welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time to watch and visit my channel, please don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. Also, you can leave a comment, click the thumbs up, and share this video. Okay guys, so yesterday we had a chance to go to Lulu supermarket, and because of the high recommendation of our co-worker and friend Miss Gloria McBride, we were able to get some of their salads. So in Lulu supermarket, guys, they have this plenty of vegetable salads in there, of course, salad bar, and it has lots of variations when it comes to vegetable salads. If you are lazy and if you have no time enough to prepare your vegetable salads, then you can just go to Lulu and grab your choice of vegetable salad. So but before I forget, guys, I would like to dedicate this salad mukbang to my friend Miss Gloria McBride, and because she had recommended the sweet corn salad, it will be one of our choices, and I'll be showing to you guys. This is just very cheap. You can purchase in any amount that you want. The salad is per kilo, and if you buy just like a few grams of each, it's really up to you. So I don't want to delay this much because I'm really hungry and excited to do this mukbang, and let's go. Let me show you what I got. Hi guys, so I am so ready now to dig in this yummy vegetable salad. So, well, of course, I need some green tea with this. I just want to have green tea. Now let's proceed to the meat of this mukbang. We have here, look what I got. What can you see there, guys? What can you see? Tell me. This is one of my favorite, and this is mushroom salad. So mushroom salad, it cost 515 fils only. So it's about 260 grams. So that's the price. 515 fils, which is really not bad. So it has some red bell pepper, can you see that? Yellow, and the green bell pepper, and then the mushrooms right there, and also there is some olives and white onion right there. So this is just perfect combination. Next, let's go to our red beetroot salad. So this is our red beet salad, and this is about, the weight is 320 grams, and it cost 575 fils, which is again not a bad price. This is our beetroots. This is also one of my favorite vegetable. Next, well, actually this is the last, and this is the queen of all, because this is the favorite of Miss Gloria McBride, and yeah, I also love corn, and this is sweet corn. There you go. This is 300 grams, and it costs around 475 fils, which is, this is the cheapest of all, right? It's the corn. There you go. Look at the corn. Look at corn. And this is sweet corn. I love sweet corn. So it has some bell peppers also in there. Oh my goodness. This is just yummy. And what are we waiting for? Corn is great. The corn is so great. Taste it. Wrap. Mazarap. Yummy. Delicious. I am stuffed with sweet corn. Miss Gloria, I agree with you. This is absolutely one of the best vegetable salad in Lulu. Yes. Great. And for the mushroom. Sarap din siya, guys. I love the white onion, you know. Harap. Harap. Bell pepper. The combination of the olives, guys, and then there's some olive oil, the mushroom, and then the onion. Tastes so good. Back to sweet corn. Shut up. The thing about this salad bars in the supermarket, guys, is that they are serving they're serving fresh vegetable salads every day. So as evidence, guys, see this empty salad container for the corn is an evidence that really it is mazarap. And look at the mushroom. Mushroom is gone. There are still lots of beetroot. There's still lots of beetroot, and I can't eat all of it. So I'm already busog. I'm already busog na. Stomach is so full. All three vegetable salads are thumbs up, and of course, most favorite is the corn. Next is my mushroom, and the third one is the beetroot. Naubos ko yung corn, so it's just like hindi na kinaya ng aking tiyan. So that's it for our salad mukbang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please continue to like, share, and comment. Have a good day, everyone. Continue to be safe wherever you are. This is Rolla of Casarola saying bye. Don't forget to subscribe.